Now in this lecture, we will see how we can establish one-to-many relation in Prisma. So we will go into the schema.prisma file. Now the idea is to link these two tables. One is the article table and one is the user table. So the idea is user may have one or multiple articles. So user may have one or multiple articles, and article must be associated to a user. So user can have 0, 1 or more than one article, but if there is an article, it has to be associated to a user. So let's try to do this. In the article, we will have a foreign key, user ID, same thing. It will be of type int. But remember, now we will not place any unique constraint here, because if we will place a unique constraint, it will be again one-to-one relation. So we'll do the same thing, user. It will be of type user. And we'll see at relation fields will be user ID and references ID. And in the reverse relation, we'll have articles, and articles will be the array of article. So as of we have multiple articles here. So earlier in the profile, since it was one-to-one relation, we have just one profile, but it's a one-to-many relation. So we have multiple articles. So it's an array of article. Now let's go ahead and run the migration. So I'll give it a name of link user article table. Now, if you go into the database and in the article, you can see that we have this user ID as a foreign key here. Now, in the next lecture, we will see how we can insert data in article and user table. So see you in the next lecture. Insert the articles. So it will be very similar to how we have created the profile. So if you want to try to do this on your own, just go ahead and provide me the solution in the discussion, and just pause the video and try to do this on your own. So hope you were able to do that. So let's try to do this together. So first what we'll do is I have created this post route users. On this user, we want to create an article. So obviously first step will be to fetch the user. So it will be await prisma.user.find unique or throw, and inside this where clause we will say ID request.params.id. So we got the user. Now we will construct the data. Data will be, first we will destructure the data from the body, and then we will add the user ID. User ID will be, user.id, and finally we will create the article. Article is equal to await prisma.article.create, and we'll pass data as a shorthand operator. So now I will return this response.json. We'll say article. Okay, let's go ahead and try to do this. So I have this. We will replace this with article, and inside the body, what all fields does article have? It has title, content, and state. Okay, so title, we'll say article, if I can type that, article 1. In content, you will say content for article 1, and in the state, let's say it's still in draft state. Let's hit send. You can see that the article is created, and if you go into the database and hit refresh, you can see that article is there and it's linked to the user ID 1. So that's how insert is performed. Now here is a quick assignment for you guys. Just try to fetch all the articles for a particular user, for a particular user ID, or just do one thing. It will be a simple articles route. So first what you have to do is fetch all the articles and its users, and create a second route in which you will be fetching all the users with its list of articles and profile. So try to do this, provide the solution in the discussion, and I will give the solution of these two in the next lecture. So see you in the next lecture.